If this subscriber can beat Ronaldo in a 1v1, I'm going to give him $1 million. In this video, you are going to see the greatest, oh my gosh, the strongest, and the fastest athletes on the entire planet compete against normal people, starting with Tom Brady. Ready to meet your opponent?
Let's go.
Right over here, high school football player Jake is your opponent. You're each gonna take turns throwing a football at these balloons. First to pop all four wins this $100 grand. And because Tom's 7 Super Bowl rings prove he's the greatest quarterback of all time, his balloons are just a little bit smaller. Jake obviously should throw first, because he doesn't have 7 Super Bowl rings. Try to pop that first balloon. The first 1v1 begins right now.
That was the easiest
Good
one.
throw.
All right, Tom, you're up.
All right, here we go.
Oh, you got it. That happens so fast.
Now it's 20 yards away. Oh my gosh! Two for two!
There we go.
Bro, he's making it look
there we
easy.
go.
Tom, he's your enemy. Stop
That
fist
was
bumping
good.
him.
I mean, I'm impressed.
20 yards, which for Tom should just be a routine. Oh, bro!
He actually missed. I blame the rain.
Wait, did you call that rain in?
Nope, but I did call in Jake's high school football team to cheer him on. Help him beat Brady. Jake!
Come on, Jake.
Jake! Oh!
Hey, good try.
Tom, surely you're not gonna miss a second time.
I shouldn't.
Pull it up. Easy. All right, it's now tied up.
This one's a one. I know it. This one's a one.
Oh! Ah!
Good throw, Jake.
Just
Good
short.
throw.
All right, Tom, you can start trying. Ooh, it's not looking good for our boy Jake. You really got to dig deep here, man. He hits one more, it's over.
I know.
That $100 grand's got to go to charity. Do you guys believe in him? He hasn't won yet, and it's Tom's throw. 50 yards.
That's a long way, Jimmy.
He's too long. That's disrespectful. You gonna take that? Not gonna lie, I thought Brady, the greatest quarterback to ever live, would breeze through this entire challenge. But nailing a 50-yard dime for any level quarterback was not going to be easy.
Jake, that was a great throw.
You're not gonna get that many chances with this
I
man.
know.
Take advantage of it.
Yo, Tom's getting closer and closer.
It's the biggest moment of your life. You hit that, you beat Tom Brady, you win $100 grand in front of your high school and 200 million people watching.
Come on, Jake. You got this.
All day.
Congrats on beating Tom Brady, winning $100 grand. We have so many more amazing athletes in this video, including the greatest football player to ever play the sport.